I'm gonna do with cuz and
we're gonna microwave. What are we gonna do, Rary?
chip bag. We're gonna see. We're doing an experiment. What happens whenever you microwave a chip bag?
Yeah, guys.
So we have a normal Lay's chip bag, and we have our microwave. Just gonna put the Lay's chip bag inside of the microwave.
Ow. Hold up. Let me.
You put it inside.
Yeah, turn off the light. Turn off the light.
And then you put. Oh, I can't see. Turn the light back on.
No, I got it.
Wait. Time cook 6 seconds if you really want it to be tiny, and then you press start. And watch it shrink. And then open it up. Get a napkin. Get a napkin. You can still read
Turn on the.
You can still read the words. Hurry because it's hot.
Fuck it. Make a move.
Okay, you touch it. And don't worry, guys. We already
Look.
we already pre-made one, and it's right here.
I'm taking my phone with me, guys. Ow.
But
Look on
don't
the.
worry,
It's a shrinky. It's a tiny little bag. Look. Oh my god.
Don't worry, guys. This one's not warm. This one, we already pre-made this one. So, we already pre-made this. You can kind of read the words on it. I don't know if y'all can, but...
Hunter, show them this one. Show them that one.
30 grams.
Wait.
Blah, blah, blah.
Guys.
You can totally read the legs on this, because it was clean. And plastic.
Hunter, show them that one.
Let me see that bag.
No, let's do hot potato.
No.
So this one, you can really read it. It says Lay's and classic. And on the back, I don't know if you can read these words. This one's more hot because this one, we already made this one. And this one we just pulled out of the microwave.
Yeah, guys.
So if you want to try this at home, make sure you have adult supervision. We didn't because our parents...
We've tried it with our parents, and they told us what to do.
Yes, we tried it with our parents first. And this is the one we did with our parents. And they said it was fine with the other one. So we have this chip bag.
Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video.
Hey guys, that's gonna be no.
Hope you guys like, subscribe, enjoy, and peace. Be Suicide Savage.